Welcome to our third YouTube of Scottish country dancing. This time we're going to show you the steps in Strathspey time. Now dancers, we'll have the full step with the music. Ready? And dancers, that was very nice. Now we're going to show how the step is built up. The rhythm first. Ready? And step, close, step, through, step, close, step, through, step, close, step, through, step, close, step, through. You will notice that there was no hop, just the rhythm. Now the hop comes in at the end of the step as the leg goes through to begin a new step. So let's see if we can do it. It's quite difficult, I know, to do it so slowly, but let's just see if we can do it and put a little hop in it. Right? Ready? And step, close, step, hop, 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 step, close, step, hop. You'll notice again that when we put the foot positions in, it begins from first position and we use third position to close the foot behind. A straight leading leg again and a little give of the supporting leg. All gives it its true character. Right, now I'd like to do it again at that speed, thinking about those things. A little give of the supporting leg, straight leg to come through, address the floor. Ready? And step, close, step, through, 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 step, close, step, through. Thank you. Now we will show you the Strathspey setting step with the music up to speed. Ready? And now we'll show you how the step is built up. Feet in first position to begin. And we're going to step to the side. Ready? And step, close behind, step and lift at the back. Step, close behind, step and lift at the back. Right. Rest there for a moment. So we say again, step, close, step, lift. Step, close, step, lift. And on the lift there is a hop. Right, let's just try it at that. Ready? And step, close, step, lift. Step, close, step, lift. Step, close, step, lift, step, close, step, lift. And you notice again, it's in third position that we close and it is lifted and the step foot goes to the back. Right. We'll now dance it again up to speed with the music. Ready? And step, close, step, hop, step, close, step, hop, step, close, step, hop, step, close, step, hop. Well done. And rest. We're now going to show the Strathspey setting step again. 8 bars, up to speed with the music, beginning with the right foot. Ready? And step. Nice. We'd now like to show you the 2 Strathspey steps linked together. 8 bars, 4 setting and 4 travelling with the music. Ready? And. Thank you for watching our video. I'd like to thank my dancers, Patrick and Keith, and I hope you've learned something about the Strathspey Steps. If you would like more information on building up steps, can I draw your attention to my footnotes book, Teaching Beginners Scottish Country Dancing, which you will find on my website.